Hi, I am Jagadivan from EC department. We are going to talk about a topic on youth in politics. Our team members are Ilan Sudan, Girish, Vikas, Abhishek, Gokul Saran, Manoj Kumar, Manika Vasagar, and Vivekan. Youth have always been in politics, especially at the time of reform movements. Most of the young people are in informal politics rather than formal politics.
I agree with your point, Mr. Jagadivan. Hi, I am Abhishek. Young people have fresh and innovative ideas.
Comparatively, young people have fewer responsibility and more zeal towards the betterment of society.
Hi Girish, I am Nilanjan. Youth tends to more enthusiastic, energetic, and flexible.
Hi, my name is Manoj Kumar. India is one of the youngest democracies, 65% of population below the 35 years, but the percentage of the young MPs is just 13% in the parliament, which is a drawback to the representatives of the democracy.
Hi, I am Gokul. Policies affecting youth peoples can be framed by themselves who most probably cannot feel the contemporary problems young people are facing.
Hi, my name is Vikas. By making politics accessibility to the youth, the negative precautions of the politics can be slowly erased in the minds of younger people.
Hi, I am Vivekan. The involvement of young people in politics ensures inclusiveness.
Hi, I am Monty Vasagar. As I agree with your points, Vivekan, order politicians have to prove that loyalty to their politics parties by supporting their authorization practice. Because of the long-term committed to their parties, young people are to advantage in their case. Because of them, ideals and ideas dominate their commitment to their political parties.
Negative sides, young people tend to have identities and unrealistic visions for society, which may successful implementation.
The lack of experience. Experience teaches us tolerance and the ability to have realistic vision.
Sorry, Gokul, you are in mute.
Young people can easily be manipulated and can be used as a mere puppets in the hands of the older politicians. This can be clearly seen in the violence and destruction of public properties by a few students groups.
At present, politics are not accessible to the common young people. Or you people agree with it?
Yes.
Yes.
Most of the young politicians of the present generation are from political families.
Yeah, I agree with Abhishek points. Politics is not a career option because nowadays politics have some negative effects like corruption and some other stuff, sir. So the parents don't encourage their children to involve in politics.
Yeah, I agree with you, Jaga. Economic consent being active in politics doesn't ensure a regular paycheck.
Yes, even if one chooses politics as a career, she or he has to wait really long time to get public support.
Lack of political institutions.
No incentives for political participation.
They are threat to life if they are sincere.
Recession for youth should be greater in the political parties and in the parliament as well. The children and relatives of the politicians should be excluded from this reservation benefit.
Political participation of youth should be beyond the mere casting of vote. Young people must be involved in the process of elections as election observers, poll station work starts, etc.
Yeah, Abhishek.
Vivekan,
Yes, youth should be given the opportunity to do an internship in parliament. Yes, right?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
yes,
right.
Girish.
Political awareness should be given to the students and schools and universities, and they should be encouraged to the participants in the politics.
I agree with your points, Vikas. The students' wings of the political parties need to be given more strength and priority.
Political awareness campaigns must ensure that young people are turning out in the elections to cast their vote.
Students wings of their political parties have to be too transparent.
Yes, I agree with that. Abhishek's point. As I said, they have to be young people has to be led some community development program and volunteering. The organization must be supported by the government.
There is a need to form local level youth councils.
Yeah, and even youth groups should allowed to visit the national parliaments.
Yeah, yes, as Girish said, some of the youth movement should be debate the respective way and raise their voice against some bad stuffs happening in the society. And in foreign countries like Uganda, there are some of the particular seats offered to the youth people in parliament elections.
National Youth Parliament in Sri Lanka influences the national youth policies.
Yes, youth environment campaign in Australia educates younger votes with fun activities.
In UK, there is strong youth politics movement consisting parliament of British Youth Council, the UK Youth Parliament and the Scottish Youth Parliament.
With roots in the early youth activism of the newsboys, consisting primarily John's child labor properties turn of the 20th century. Youth politics first identities and American politics with the informations of American Youth Congress in 1930s.
So, we would like to conclude our discussion by saying that young talent in the present politics, youth should be given the opportunity to prove themselves by making a politic accessible of to them, and the right they should balance of young talent and experienced politicians can lead the cleaning of politics and can restore the public faith in the political system. So thank you everyone.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you